Hello Year 1, welcome to your maths lesson for Thursday the 14th of January 2021. Our learning objective today is to be able to compare numbers. We're going to be comparing numbers using the words greater than, less than and equal to. So let's have a look at what those mean. So we need to start by counting the two groups to work out what we're doing. So the first group here is 1, 2, 3. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's have a look at our other group. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 6 and 4. Is 6 a bigger number or a smaller number than 4? Do you think 6 is bigger than 4? Or do you think 6 is smaller than 4? Or do you think 6 is the same as 4? What do you think? Fantastic, 6 is more than 4. So the language we're going to use today is 6 is greater than 4. Okay, it's bigger than 4 because there's 2 more dots on 6 than there is on 4. So it's greater than 4. So if a number is bigger, the first number is bigger than the second number, then it is going to be greater than. So let's have a look at the next one. The first one, we've got 1, 2, 3 triangles. And on this side, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 triangles. Is 3 greater than 5? Or is 3 less than 5? Or is 3 equal to 5? What do you think? Greater than, is it bigger? Less than, is it smaller? Or equal to, is it the same? Well done. 3 is less than 5. 5 has got more over here, isn't it? So this time we're going to say 3 is less than 5. 3 is less than 5 because there are less triangles over here where 3 is than there is for number 5. So this time we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 circles on this side, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 squares on this side. So we have 8 and 8. Is 8 greater than 8? Is 8 less than 8? Or is 8 equal to 8? Now remember, equal, when we do our maths, it means that it is the same, isn't it? So is 8 equal to 8? Is 8 the same as 8? Yes, 8 is the same as 8. So 8 is equal to 8. Okay, because they are the same, there's the same amount of circles and squares on each side. Okay, so when we're talking about comparing numbers, we can also use the symbols. So greater than, we can use this little symbol here, which looks a little bit like a crocodile's mouth. We're going to have a little bit more look at that tomorrow. And the crocodile's mouth is always going to want to eat the bigger number because he's greedy. He wants to eat more. Okay, so he's always going to eat the bigger number. Then when we look at less than, the crocodile's mouth is going to still want to eat the bigger number. So he's going to be eating the bigger number to show which one is less than. Okay, so it depends on which way the crocodile is facing, which will tell us what it is. Okay, and then we've got this symbol that we know that we use when we're doing our number sentences for addition and subtraction, and it means equal. Now equal is like scales. It means what's on one side is the same as on the other. Okay, so let's have a look at those pictures again. So we had 6 and we had 4, and this time the crocodile's mouth is going to want to eat the bigger number. Okay, we knew that 6 is greater than 4 because we looked at that earlier. So he's going to be eating number 6. There he is. So there's the little symbol. that shows that 6 is greater than 4 because he wants to eat the bigger number. So we had 3 triangles and we had 5 triangles, and this time the crocodile's mouth is going to face the other way because he wants to eat the bigger number, and it shows us that 3 is less than 5 because he's turned around and he wants to eat the number on this side because it's the bigger number, which means that 3 is less than 5, okay, because he doesn't want to eat the first number because it's not as much food, okay. And then the last one we were looking at was 8 circles and 8 squares. So we're going to use the equal sign because each side of the equal sign is the same. And that means that we need to have the same as the equal sign. So 8 is equal to 8 because they are the same. Okay, so we are going to be completing the greater than, less than and equal to questions on the worksheet today. And today we're going to be looking at writing the words. Okay, not using the symbols. We're going to look at the symbols again tomorrow in a little bit more detail. So if you were using this sheet, you would count the 3 ice creams and you would count there's 4 ice creams on the other side, and you'd say 3 is less than, so you would need to write less in that space there, less than 4. Okay, so 3 is less than 4, and then you can move on to the next one, and next time you might need to write the word greater, and then there might be some on another sheet that is also equal to. Okay, so that is your activity today. I hope you get on okay with that, and I will see you again soon. Bye.